Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Patriot Payroll, process employee payroll online step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Patriot Payroll. Press enter to access the Patriot Payroll website. Once the home page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy to prevent login issues. Once you're sure they are correct, click on the Login button. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Employees tab. Click on the Employees tab to view your employee list. To process payroll, select the Payroll option from the menu. Choose Run Payroll from the drop-down list. Follow the prompts to select the pay period you wish to process. Verify that all employee hours and earnings are correctly entered. Make adjustments if necessary for any discrepancies. Once everything is verified, click on the Calculate Payroll button. Review the payroll summary for accuracy once it loads. If all details are correct, proceed by clicking the Submit Payroll button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the payroll has been successfully submitted. You will also receive an email confirmation for your records. Log out of your account by clicking on the Logout button. You have now completed the payroll process using Patriot Payroll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.